Dave.
Hey, Dennis.
How you doing?
Good.
Where are we?
Grandy Ballroom. Where are we, Dennis?
The Grandy Ballroom.
What
Geez,
day?
needs a paint job, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Let me see. Today is October 30th. Tomorrow's the 31st. That's Halloween. Tonight's Devil's Night. Oh yeah! Now I remember. 28 years ago was the night we recorded "Kick Out the Jams," our first album. In fact, that was the first live album ever done by a rock and roll band. Boy, that took a lot of balls, didn't it?
Yes, it did.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's 28 years ago today. So, mystical, magical. Whose idea was this? Yours?
It's in the cards.
Ah, it's in the cards? Okay, let's call it destiny. When destiny kisses fate.
Maybe there's some archives laying around.
Hey, I'm just a sad man living in a plaid land. The walls are closing in, Joe. The squares have fenced my very soul. Dennis Thompson.
Tell us about the other guys in the band. Tell us about Rob.
I used to room with Rob. I liked rooming with Rob because he was the most intelligent guy in the band.